Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the music not showing issue on Instagram. Sometimes the music feature might not be available in certain regions due to licensing restrictions. If this is the case, you won't see the music option at all. Unfortunately, you will have to wait for Instagram to expand the feature in your area. A common reason for missing feature is an outdated app version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there is an update available. Make sure your app is fully updated and then check if the music option appears after restarting the app. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes the music feature might not load due to connectivity issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then restart the app to see if the music feature returns. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Logging out of your account can refresh Instagram and help bring back any missing features. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then Settings, and scroll down to Log out. After a few seconds, log back into your account and check if the music option has reappeared. And finally, clear cache or reinstall the app. If you are an Android user, you can clear the Instagram cache to remove temporary bugs. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select Instagram, and go to Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to refresh it. After reinstalling, check if the music feature is back. If you've tried these steps and the music option is still not showing, it may be a temporary bug on Instagram's end. In that case, wait a few hours and try again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the music not showing issue on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.